If you need to quickly view comments in Lucidchart, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to open the comments panel, browse every comment in your document, and jump straight to the part of the canvas where each comment was left. This is a super helpful workflow when you're reviewing a diagram working with a team, or trying to catch feedback without hunting around your entire page. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Lucidchart tips and software tutorials. Now let's jump in. First, log into your Lucidchart account. Once you're inside, open the document that contains the comments you want to review. This is important because comments are tied to a specific document, so you need to be in the right file before you can see them. After your document is open, look to the top right corner of the workspace. There you'll find the comments icon. Click that comments button and the comments panel will open on the side of your screen. In that panel, Lucidchart will display all of the comments that have been added to the document, making it easy to review feedback in one place. Now that the panel is open, you can start browsing through the comments list. Scroll through to view every comment in the document. If there are only a few, this is very quick. If there are many, you can move through them one by one and keep track of all the feedback that has been left. Here's the really useful part. If you click on any comment in the list, Lucidchart will take you directly to its location on the canvas. That means you do not have to search manually for where the comment belongs. This makes reviewing edits, responding to feedback, and understanding context much faster and easier. If you're working with a team, this feature is especially useful because you can move from comment to comment without losing your place. It helps you stay organized, save time, and make changes more confidently. Whether you're checking one note or dozens, the comments panel keeps everything in one simple view. And that's how you view comments in Lucidchart. Just open your document, click the comments icon in the top right corner, and browse through the panel to see every comment. Then, click any comment to jump right to that spot on the canvas. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.